Today we will learn to crochet and make this flower bud. Take any color yarn that you want to make the flower bud. I am taking pink one. Make a slip knot like this and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and insert the hook in the very first chain. Pull the yarn through the chain and make incomplete double crochet like this. Make another incomplete double crochet. We will making 5 incomplete double crochet in same space. This is 3. 4 and 5. Pull the crochet hook throughout all of the loop and close and make 2 chain. Again make 5 incomplete double crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and pull the yarn and close. Fold this part and insert the hook in this space and close. Join both of the edge and chain 1 and cut the yarn. Cut the yarn. We don't need this long yarn. Cut this. This is our flower bud. Now we are inserting this wire from here. Take out from this side. Twist the wire and cut this yarn. our flower bird is ready. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.